Okay, so we are continuing on here now, and what we've done so far is we have set some port settings, and we use the open method to open a new serial port connection. So now what we want to do is to add in a sentinel control, or otherwise known as an infinite loop. And this infinite loop is going to continually read in the data that's been sent from the microbit. So this will be a script which will run all the time and feed data continuously to somewhere else. So we'll concentrate that on in another part of the video, but basically for the moment we just want to read in the data. And to do that, we're going to use what's known as a while loop. And we're just going to say to keep this go continuously, we're just going to put down here, and I'll just put in a comment, our infinite loop, let's say. Loop, and I'm just going to say while true, and I have nothing to break out of this because a while loop will only execute while the condition is true. This condition is true, so it's going to continually just execute while keep looping around. So that's going to keep going infinitely, which is great because that's what we want to do. We want to read in the temperature or whatever reading you're taking continuously, so it's accurate and you can record data all the time. Then, so the next thing we want to do is we want to use the read line method so that we can read in data one line at a time. And to check everything is working okay, let's run the program as well. But first of all, inside here, we're going to go ser.readline, and this is to read in data one line at a time. Make sure you run your program. And I've got an error here now today. And what error have I got? Oh, I know the error I've got. The error I've got now, and this is brilliant to see this, because sometimes if you set in a different computer, your COM port can actually change when you connect it to your computer. So I need to go here to command. I need to type in mode. And we'll see here now that it's actually not even picking up my microbit at all because I have no microbit connected. So I'm going to connect the microbit up, and let me do that now straight away. Just a moment here. These are all the errors here you could have. I don't even have the microbit connected up. Now, put in the microbit, and if I run this mode command again now, we'll see here now that the microbit has been picked up at communication port 8. Is that what it is in my code? Yes, it is. If it wasn't, you would change it accordingly. Now if I run it again, and it's just running, and it seems to be clean there. So let me stop it and just try it once more. Run that again. Yes, and it seems to be running correctly. So we need to actually print out the data in a moment. We'll see that in the next video.